Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually get supplier direct factory supplier phone number on 1688 using Google Chrome, and how you can actually add them up on your WeChat or on WhatsApp so that you chat them up privately for business. Okay, so before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to my channel, guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload content about importation. And also, if you would like to join my premium class on self-importation from China or self-importation from US or from UK, whereby you do everything by yourself without involvement of middleman or agent. So all these things are very much possible. All you have to do, if you are really interested to learn the more about the business, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen. I will put you into the system. Okay, so like I said earlier, guys, we're going to make use of Google Chrome and WeChat to make this thing work perfect. So now we're going to start from Google Chrome. As you can see from my phone screen here, so I have my Google Chrome at the bottom. Let me make a screenshot. So I'm going to make use of this, my Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on it right away. So I'm going to click on New tab. Now I'm going to click on my new tab. I'm going to make use of web address bar. Then I'm going to type in the website name, which is 1688.com. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now for us to achieve the aim of getting the supplier phone number, we have to log in into the website. Okay, so I'm going to make another screenshot again. So guys, for us to log in into 1688 app, we have to so we have to click on here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. Okay, so then we have to click on here again. Then from the first column here, we have to enter our Taba username. Then having entered our Taba username, the next column, we have to enter our Taba password. After that, we have to click on this orange to log in. Then we have to select Google Chrome always. Now, for us to be very sure that we have successfully logged in into 1688 website using Google Chrome, so let me make a screenshot. So you can see here has been changed to a star icon, okay, which is simply means that we have successfully logged in into the 1688 website. Now with that, we'll be able to search for supplier phone number directly. So I'm going to scroll down now. Okay, so let me say I'm interested to have the supplier of this wristwatch phone number. So let me make a screenshot. So let's say I'm interested in getting the phone number of this supplier. Okay, First thing we have to do is to click on the product link. So after click on the product link, so have to scroll down. So you scroll down and you can click on, let me make another screenshot. Click on here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So I'm going to make another screenshot. Next thing you have to do is to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to present you with something like this, okay? So for us to get this supplier phone number, so let me make another screenshot. You have to click on here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to copy this phone number. You can see the phone number from the phone screen here. So I'm going to click and hold down, then I'll click on copy. Now we have successfully copied this particular supplier phone number. So let me quickly go to WeChat and add them up on our WeChat. But before we do that, we can as well add this supplier on our phone. Okay, so how do we add them up on our phone? So for us to add them up on our phone, let me make another screenshot. So you have to click on this icon here. So you need to click on it right now. Now it's going to open up in your phone folder. So I can add them up. Click on create new tab. Create new contact. Then I can save them as wristwatch supplier. Then save. So I have them saved on my phone already. So I can go to my WeChat now and save them also on my WeChat. So now for us to save this supplier on our WeChat, so let me make a screenshot. So when you open up your WeChat, you have to click on this top here. There is a tiny plus there. Click on it. So I'm going to click on it right now. So this is going to pop up. Okay. Then choose add contact. Now, having choose add contact, choose here. Then click and hold down. Click on paste. Then click on search. Wow, so this simply means that this supplier is not on WeChat, but we have already saved them on our phone. We can chat them up on WhatsApp if they are not on WeChat. So this is how you can get your supplier direct phone number on 1688, add them up on your phone and chat chat them up on WhatsApp or chat them up on WeChat if they were actually on WeChat. Okay, so this is how you get it done, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorial about China importation. And if you would like to join my premium class on importation, feel free to contact me on the phone number via the screen, or on the phone number on this screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.